Hey everybody! Some of us are just getting started with Accelerated Reader, so I thought I'd show you how you can log into it. So first, my screen looks a little different than yours, but I know you have some groups, and everyone should have Lincoln Library under their group. So if you open your group, over here on the left, there's some pinned items, and it says you can take our P-Test at home. So you click what looks like some chain links, and that's going to open up the link. It doesn't have a picture for it, but you just click the link here, and that's going to send you right to RP. Okay, so we're going to log in as a student. So we're going to use a sample student. So your username is going to be your student ID. It's the same number that you use for Clever or to log into Edsby. We have a sample student, so they have a pretend username. And your password is your birth date. It's your 2-digit month and 4-digit year. So for this student, their birthday's in December, so that's 12/2002. So when we get to this screen, we can see we have two orange boxes to pick from: Accelerated Reader or Articles. We want to go to Accelerated Reader. Here's where we're going to look for a test to take. Now, we only take tests on books we've already read. So a great book is, let's see, I Broke My Trunk. There it is. I Broke My Trunk by Mo Willems, and it says take the quiz. So I click take quiz. Now, this is important. You need to decide if someone read this book to you, if you and someone read this book together, or if you read this book all by yourself. I read this book all by myself. So do I want someone to read the questions to me? I'm going to say no because I read the book all by myself. But if someone read the book with me or someone read the book to me, I would choose to have the recorded voice on. And then you click Start Quiz. And the quiz begins. So you read the question very carefully, and then you read the 3 choices. Sometimes there's 4, and you choose the one best answer. And once you finish the test, it will ask you if you liked the book. So give it however many stars you like. I love Elephant Piggy, so I gave it 4 stars. And I did not do so well on this test. So the next time I need to make sure I read the questions more carefully and the answers. So I'm going to click Find My Next Book. When I'm all finished with Accelerated Reader, I can look at my bookshelf and see what tests I've taken. Or I can go to Progress, and it will tell me how close I am to meeting my goal. Or I can simply log out and come back later. If you have any questions about Accelerated Reader, please feel free to ask your teacher or send Miss Mayfield a message on Edsby.